You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
One of the finest, one of the most talented, one of our most regular for this place. Now, personal, now friend, now brother, now family member. In fact, now Nigerian FM person, true and true. Who would they talk about?
Songs.
The king of songs, Mr. Songs himself, aka Harrysong.
Yeba, my people.
He's a Rio.
Last time we see an in-day single, but now I don't marry with two babes.
He's
two
He's
girls.
He's a quadruplet now. He's a him and the madam and the.
So.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
So
my
now
people,
you talk to
my
Harrysong,
family.
the daddy.
My family. Thank you. I still be the same, nothing change. I gallant.
And so why you did since? I don't say you just the stone us music from the other states. Since.
Yeah, so I did. I see. You know, say a lot of people remind us that time where election starts. Say most of us will begin the trend for social media because when we tweet, it go trend. People could carry arms. Small time, some go bring problem. They're gonna say some of us will just the talk from outside. And you know, go feel sweep the house clean if you know the inside the house. So this time around, I put body small for the politics for my state, Delta State. So it keep me busy small with politics for a while. So we don't finish politics now. Congratulations to Sheriff we win.
Yes,
now,
Sheriff Oboroweri.
Oboroweri we win. So now we don't come back to the music. So the first one will drop now for the year. For this year, and I be this Asante. They will drop so.
Okay, so more we'll talk about Asante. Tell us about Asante. How did the song take come about?
For November, December, I've been frequent Ghana, so I connect with Camido. Camido, a very talented artist. Our vibe strong from that side. So when them tell me say this year. About you must drop album this year. So we can start to cook, start to write, start to arrange again. As we do the first session, Majid come the session. Majid now even start the vibe of Asante with chorus. I love him. So we finish, I think go, I drop my verse. We send to Camido voice from Ghana, bring and come. So it can't be like that this night with the marriage of the Nigerian Jollof and Ghana Jollof because the connection strong well. So when we hear the final job, I haven't still the Delta that time when we hear the final job. Okay. It makes sense well. Now so yeah, let's go.
What is that word Asante mean?
Na person name, na woman name.
You know, say you get one. Now they say Asante be that. Now they say Asante be that club Asante Kotoko.
I don't know the one where you
talk.
You
get one club for you get one football club for Ghana. Asante, yes, Asante Kotoko. Now they spell am Asante. Asante Kotoko of Ghana. That club side.
No wonder my Ghana fans carry this matter.
Now they wonder whether say Asante na like an area in Ghana or na somebody like Abiola Babes in those days.
Yes.
So it's either I think whether either a name of club. Or
like Asante Babes. I think we should have Asante Babes now that we have Asante song. It go work well.
So yes. They give me the vibes of as far as do sing Peru.
Okay.
That kind
Peru,
vibe.
yes.
You know, so it go surprise you to know say some people don't know say somewhere like Peru even
as a place. Yes.
Until that song.
That's why that time they ask people say what be the capital of Peru, they say na Para. But they don't know say na Lima be capital of Peru.
Lima, yes.
They will say na Para. You understand? Okay, so who produced the jam?
Asante produced by what's this guy's name again? Dalo Beats.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we not shoot video for Asante.
No, we never shoot. We shoot video 2 weeks from now.
Okay, for Asante.
Yes, we will bring Cami.com Nigeria. We will not come together.
Okay, so now we shoot. Now they plan to shoot the video.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
That will be in first time in Nigeria. Or he don't come.
No, he don't come before. He don't come before.
Yeah. So which director in the plan to work? You never choose.
What's this? Cardoso.
Okay.
Cardoso. A lot of them bring concept, but we connect with Cardoso for now. Okay. Yeah, because of the kind of concept that Cardoso bring. You know, say me, I like story.
Yeah.
I like to build. I like a build-up story.
And then videos supposed to tell the story of
the song.
Yes.
Yeah, Cardoso makes sense. Well, and it stand out. So we should go with Cardoso this time.
Okay, not only at the song, the studio, Frankie J.
Frankie J. the building.
Frankie J, how far now?
I do a lawyer carpet level, boss.
Says you fresh like bread with the yours big. But a brown bread.
I know it's small.
Brown bread.
My garden for this side.
Brown bread. You know,
not too much.
You know, brown bread. I see they look for the ad. I go they qualify him. You know, qualifying him, but the Frankie J. So what did happen now?
Boss, a lot don't really happen, over the months and over the years. Kingmaker here just signed me to him.
Okay. The video we're gonna go shoot them in the next
shoot them 2 weeks.
2 weeks time for
Yes.
Asante. Okay, so Frankie J will be the talk about you say Harrysong just signed you for
Utter
plate and all that.
Yes. I just even dropped one single
Okay.
titled My Life.
Baba God.
Baba God, yes. I say I start with the story of my life first before we go start to unleash the other projects.
Now you go
So-
feel on
But first way they really talk story about in life, no they sweet like this. They wear two blink for neck of your
and
hand.
you know seeing carving.
Now my life, now, say you get one time. I know say one day my papa go ripe, so
Okay.
the papa don't dey ripe.
But all right, then they shop and
No,
sell.
it don't dey ripe, never ripe finish.
You be like we bet you the Bobo don't rap. Okay, so my life now be that.
Yes,
Tell us
yes,
something
yes,
about
yes.
that my life song. Who produced and how the song come about?
After the Utter Plate deal and everything, I just stay studio. The inspiration come. I just remember when those days, no platform, no support, no help. I just do my thing on my own. So there's been inspiration come. Now I say, okay, this thing, like say prospect the year. So as I see him,
Yeah.
I come one young producer, Shifu. He just give me what I want. I just lay him. Just enjoy the beat where you do.
Talk the
get
story
hook.
of the whole stuff.
The story. I just put the story of my life on top of the song. If you hear them, you go know say I dey come from one journey.
Okay.
From like see the way they say I be sweet now.
Yes, yeah.
Because I'm in Utter Plate, I have to be sweet.
Yes, and
I know sweet. Wahala go there.
and then play today for Otter Angels.
Yes,
they always replenish am.
yes. We dey chop for the better Utter.
Okay. So that the first official single we drop for Other Plate.
Yes, boss.
This one, that means more they expect more from you.
Yes, more projects.
Okay. So Harry, now this one way he said the same he must present album this year now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what will be the plan for that album? How many songs where you don't drop now with the inside? Chinchon go day definitely.
Chinchon no good day.
That's how you dey do.
Never quarrel. Make I explain.
I did not explain. Ma, I told you something before you explain.
Okay.
Now the song I know will be the artist
Okay.
for this country.
Yes.
We get the highest non-album EP song. I did not sing for like 3-4 years.
Yes.
No EP.
Be like,
No album.
I don't they change now.
Single.
I don't they change.
All those songs now.
Yes.
We go they find a single. You don't
I
go
don't
one.
I don't they change. See, I get better plan why I won't give on now.
Okay, why tell me why Chinchon not there?
Okay, see, then tell me say they won't drop 20. They need 20 songs to pick from. Okay, so time be no day for me to the record.
Okay.
So I can say the management make them just provide some things for me. We go make them easy for me because of how the inspiration still come and how I fit take the write the songs. So make them give me studios at every point when I dey travel because I know they stay one place. So most of the times, instead of us, if we land for some state, instead of us to say make we get like a Prado where we know say okay we before already we go there inside and security car, I go say okay make them get me like a Mercedes bus where space go there. So even for hotel we feel record inside the bus we feel record everywhere we feel the record. So most of the times where you go fit where you go say okay make I rest I make I not work, you still dey work because now you get ultimatum to now deliver. So what you can't do now in between the 3 months where they give me we drop like half of the songs of the inspiration we drop like 40 we get like 40
songs.
Yes.
Okay.
So for the 40 now them don't pick 15
And they no pick Chinchon.
then so I want me you first just hold on with me first just stay with me now beg a day
You know the thing.
now beg a
Anything
day
will make them pick. They don't pick Chinchon inside. That album go mad. I'm telling you.
because some people when we do just one tweet test for the title of the album, which is God Amongst Men. When we do one tweet test, some of them say, we want reggae blues, like 4 type of reggae blues for them. Some say they want like Baba for the Girl. Some say they want Chichante. Some say they want different things. But they forget say now one musician, now sing all these different genre of songs. Do you understand? So the expectation now is high for Harrysong to drop album. 'Cause I never drop album for a long time. So Godwin, I want to go beg you. Now they promote the songs and the fans too. So waiting go even come. I never know. I never hear the songs.
So you never even sure which of the songs go there inside.
I never sure. But I know say God Amongst Men I put my life for this project. Yes.
Would they wait now? So
Yes.
Davido said that from 60 songs they pick this timeless albums.
Yes.
So your own now. Okay, but would they wait? When we get time?
25th of June, God Amongst Men album go drop.
25th of that's just like 3 days before my birthday, 25th, because my birthday is 28th, 25th.
Yeah.
So easy
25th of June.
25th of June.
In June, God Amongst Men album will drop.
So why the title God Amongst Men?
Now the over the years, we know which we don't go through in building this brand and which we don't survive. And the things where we don't survive, no be ordinary people they survive. You understand? It takes the extraordinary to stand out and be Harrysong. Everybody can be Harrysong.
Yeah.
It's a privilege for me that I'm Harrysong and still on this platform. So I know what God has given to me. So it's the extra that I'm about to give to the world. That's why it's God Amongst Men.
Okay.
And then for if you want explain I'm the layman, you know, some people you got the go talent rich. This one is different from every other person.
From every other person.
God,
yes.
if you enter the studio now, it's different from us now. You go notice that this one different. So and it's God I like the title, God Amongst Men. So more they expect on 25th of June.
25th of June. Yes.
Okay, how many producers? Well, I know
there plenty. Yeah, because people just send me beats left, right, both in the country, outside the country, different. We get some international collaborations. You know, Damako we sing "I Love My Life"
yes.
the day on the album.
Wow.
So there's some surprises with the man. Not just put them out. Yes.
Okay, you don't want to talk about this or too much. Okay. Now, so if you want to give in terms of number, like apart from the one you don't talk now, like collabos go reach like 4 or 5 or more.
More like 6, 7.
Like 6, 7 collabos.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So when the album drop, apart from the fact that you go drop on all platforms and all
Yes.
that, they do like an album release.
I could do
event.
an exclusive listening,
okay.
for Banquet with the Gods.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, now I go
With
listen.
the gods, I mean,
Yes,
my name is
Banquet with
my
the
name is
Gods.
my name is already God.
Yes.
Oh, Godwin. Yeah, so we will get Banquet with the
understand.
Gods
Banquet
to
with the Gods,
listen
okay.
exclusively before we will put them out.
I read Banquet
Okay.
with the gods.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we think say maybe the gods of the land you won't go call.
Okay, so Ari, before we let you come over studio, you get anybody will be musician for this country or outside the country, for Africa,
Yes.
the whole world, where you never do song with, where now your dream to do song with one day.
Now you.
I don't know. You don't dey practice comedy. Your punchline don't dey strong. No worry. No mind it. Someone where you go like to do song, where you like, where you say, if I get chance to do song with this person, I must do one.
For a long time, I know. So even before we start Ritual with this, so I did very inspired by Beyonce. That kind of music.
Beyonce.
Yes, Beyonce. If I get that touch to do a song with
If I don't
Beyonce,
tell me
I don't
since now-
mind if Namigo right
If I don't
answer.
tell me now, I will call my Uncle Jay-Z.
Oh, now your uncle.
Yes, now.
Oh,
Uncle Jay. You know, I got 2 uncles for America now.
Seriously?
I got 2 uncles and 1 cousin. Jay-Z na my uncle.
Okay.
Dr. Dre na my uncle. Then
Godwin, you do this one.
Eminem na my cousin.
Hey.
So na Beyonce with the
I
person
love,
now.
I love her music. I love her style. She's a great singer. Her vocal speed is amazing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so all right, now Beyonce go be the person. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. I understand. So how married life be for you so far?
No man, nothing change.
Nothing
Oh
changed.
my, not this
No,
is.
All
I
this
love man, nothing change.
all this waka waka. I mean,
If you the crazy, since you the Christian now, nothing can change. That's not my level.
No, but I should say fatherhood don't change you a bit.
Now it just make me the sacrifice more.
more.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because I talk to myself, say I must make sure see my children not call me Harrysong. May they call me daddy. So but that to call me daddy, so you need to go once in a while. They spend time with them. So I try and I achieve them. So that one, it just increase my level of sacrifice. Knowing say you don't bring other innocent people come this world, so you actually need to sacrifice for them.
And be there for, even when you day out of the country.
I did try to make
Yes.
sure say I did for them.
They know say daddy day here.
Yes,
daddy's there for you.
yes, I did try.
For those who don't know, I just remind them your social media handles, Twitter, Instagram, and then we need to take 1 or 2 messages. Especially if you don't send messages, we will give 3 people chance to follow you talk before we let you come off for studio.
I did.
If you want to see how the song face, enter Instagram at Godwin Aruwaya. Don't enter there live. The camera like that the song face at Godwin
yeah,
Aruwaya.
man.
When I see how the song where 2 watch, left and right. If you like worry chief, you understand? So just enter Instagram at Godwin Aruwaya. Instagram live, you go see him. Then if you want to follow how the song talk, then your chance be it. Okay, more make and balance. 4 people, hopefully 2 ladies, 2 men. Okay.
Hello, good afternoon, Godwin Aruwaya.
Good afternoon. What be
afternoon,
your name? Where they come from?
My name is James, coming from VI.
James, now you be the first caller. Talk to Harrysong.
I did not about that toilet.
I'm fine.
I did. How are you doing now?
I gallant, no shaking. We there here for Naija FM. But they tell the world as it go.
You know, give us back to back again. What's up now?
We just drop. We don't finish politics. We don't drop out. We don't begin drop again. So go listen to Asante. Then go plan for you for here now.
Okay, love your music so much.
Thank
Come
you.
back and beg with the
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Meanwhile, go stream and download and share Asante, okay? It's on
Thank
all
you.
platforms right now.
No, wahala. Man.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, that's not the first caller.
I hear you loud and clear. How far now?
Fine, sir.
Correct.
I don't think I know.
Okay. No shaking.
Yeah, I don't think they miss your phone.
No shaking. You go listen. They go drop the new one. We just come out now. It is online. Just type Asante. Enjoy.
Okay, buy yourself
Which one?
Which one?
Not to be decided.
Teach on team. Where you sing with Illbliss, okay. Also.
Talk. No, they bring.
I don't understand why they don't shoot video for that, so I don't know why Illbliss don't shoot video.
Song. Great song.
A lovely song.
Nice. Inspiring music.
All right, thanks for your call, More love, Harrysong. That one from Chrissy Kanem. Ifeanyi, Anthony say better picking makes you know say you are talented. Your talent is unstoppable. Baba, good afternoon.
Amen.
Mr. Harry, I dey hail you. Mr. Gordon, you are doing a great job. Thank you very much. That one from Robinson Okunu. So fresh, and the song looking like today bread. Fine. I bet find me a going beans join them. You know well, Idris Oluwatoyi. And the song, my guy, Kelvin Great, Ikechuku, and be that one. This one say, Robinson say, Baba, good afternoon. I hail you too. More love. Okay, this one say, the song, now my guy, okay, much love, Baba. Okay, would they see you? Harrysong, I love you. Thank you very much. That one, MD Kiddies. Mr. Harrysong, you are looking handsome. Iroma, I ain't talk this one. Iroma.
Thank you, Iroma.
Me, Alajumoke say, I love you, Harrysong.
Love you too.
Me, Harrysong loves you too.
Harry Bobo, you don't too tell. Listen to Godwin on the album arrangements
Harry
from
Bobo.
DJ E Money from Ogara, Delta State. Love you.
Nice one.
Good afternoon, Naija FM. Harrysong and Frankie J. Please correct me. Harry, are you not from Akwa Ibom? Pandi?
No, I'm from Delta State. Worry.
Delta, so.
Delta.
Okay.
Yes.
This one said, so this one for Instagram, so he said, Talk Shola, say, my all-time best radio station, Naija FM, I hail you. Me, Godwin, well done for the good work. Lady J, Mama, I hail you. Mr. Godwin, help me tell Harrysong, say, my family don't miss him. Please release more music fast. I love your cap, Harrysong.
Thank you.
He doesn't sing karaoke, Lady J, release this one there.
Good afternoon, Christopher from Benue. I love you, Harry. This one say, Harry, what is your native name? My name is Chibuike.
My native name is Tare. It means love.
Tare.
Yes, means love.
Tare.
Yes.
Tare.
Tare. Tare means
Don't
love.
hear now.
This one they ask, how far are you and Casey? Are you guys still friends? Desmond from Makodi. They still be friends now. Now see they see once in the while.
No get problem. No
problem. Nothing they happen. No shaking for that side. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. What will be your name?
Good afternoon,
Good
guys.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Blessing.
Yeah, blessing from Ikeja.
That's your voice clear. Oh yeah, Blessing. Talk to Harrysong.
Okay, Harry. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. How you doing now?
I'm fine, and you?
Correct. Where are you at the moment?
I'm at Ikeja.
Ikeja, nice. How is Ikeja?
Very well, sir.
Nice one. Though, good to hear your voice. Though, stay tuned. Though, we get plenty goodies from now.
Okay.
Correct.
Welcome, sir. How is the family, sir?
Everything, they are fine. Everyone is good. They are enjoying.
Hope they are cool.
Yes, they are.
These blessings. I mean, you like English. Oh.
Yeah. She dey follow up. No, she dey follow up.
Blessing, go stream and download the song. Okay?
Yeah, go. You don't. Make she go enjoy Asante. She dey follow up. She said there are
Just
two.
a giggle, they go.
Said there are two.
Blessing, thanks for your call.
Thanks for calling. Oh, thanks for calling.
All right. Well, bye.
Bye.
Bye, blessing. On that blessed note,
Very blessed note.
we'll leave on there like that. That is song. Remind everybody on social media.
And I am Harrysong at IAMHARRYSONG. I don't join TikTok too.
TikTok,
Yes,
okay.
I am Harrysong also.
For Twitter,
Oh,
TikTok,
yes.
okay.
Twitter too. I am
Okay.
Harrysong.
So in a few weeks' time, the video for Asante will drop, and then Harrysong will
Yes.
drop album.
25th of June next month.
God Among Men for
Yes.
25th of June next month. All right.
Yes, yes.
Frankie J, that your song video don't they?
No.
No.
We
Okay,
just,
so you
dropped
just drop the
now,
song
so we
single.
just,
Okay,
push
all
on
right.
the
So
go first.
okay. Now the first of many other things will
Yes,
come
when
later.
they come, yes,
All right,
yes,
now
yes,
yeah, Frankie J. No worry. When Frankie J don't get the video and want to another song, definitely
He
he
go
go
come
come
on
back.
his own.
On your own, you know, this one na without the song.
Yeah.
He go come by himself.
Yes.
But later we go follow and talk more. But all the same, thanks for coming, Frankie J.
Yeah, but
Thank you,
come
family.
For our NYC camp concert.
Yes,
Yes, Frankie's performing live.
You go
Live.
there.
Live.
Live.
Yeah, he go there.
Live.
Yeah, he goes for okay. So Harrysong,
Quietly.
I mean, thanks for coming
Thanks
for
for
now.
coming.
Thank
Thanks for
you.
coming
So,
around.
but how the political season be for you? You are my way now.
You
Because
don't,
dey here,
no,
dey
never
ready.
go there.
You
Never
dey-
go there. The mindset where we take enter now to say we feel effect positive change as young people.
Yeah.
You know, so they don't already want us. Say temptation go day, especially money temptation. But make we understand the pain where we carry take the enter. So that make they no corrupt us. We come
Yeah.
dey there, come become the same. You know, so that's why I did there. So no be money dey my eye. Thank God say at least God don't change my life. I know they're hungry to enter there.
Exactly.
Basically, so we could try to make sure say youths get the power where they need to decide their own future.
decide
That's
their
where they
own
enter there. Yes.
Now on a good place to end up. Now, thank you very much for coming, Harrysong.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.